It's like this. Look, it's like yellow.
I see it.
My dad's taking a picture of it.
Looks like he's taking a video.
Oh, did he get caught on the deck? Good one. You gonna do another one? Wow. Did you catch a big fish?
I'll put it back in there.
Okay.